Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is descending order. The objective of today's learning is to understand the concept of descending order till 5-digit number. Let us first see what is descending order. Hello kids, meet Rohan again. Rohan is at step number 10. Now he has to go to step number 1. So he climbs down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than 10. Then he moves to step number 8. Then he climbs down to step number 7. Then step number 6. Then step number 5. Then step number 4. Then step number 3, then step number 2, and finally he is at step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving towards a smaller number than the previous number? Thus, we can say that when numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing order or descending order. So kids, what is descending order? When the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing or descending order. Let us take some examples now. Now see kids, 4 numbers are given to you. Now, first of all, we have to write the place value table. That is ones, tens, hundreds. Then ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Again ones, tens and hundreds. Now we have written the place value table. Now we will read the numbers carefully. 238, 961, 172 and 405. Now kids, we have to arrange these numbers into descending order. Remember, descending order means big to small. So first of all, what we will do is we will take the first digit of each number. So first digit of this number is 2. First digit of this number is 9. First digit of this number is 1. And the first digit of this number is 4. Now we have underlined the first digit. Now we will compare the first digit first. Now 2, 9, 1, 4. Among all these numbers, all these digits, which is the biggest one? 9 is the biggest one. So 961 will be the first one in the descending order. So we will write over here number 1. Now see 2, 1, 4. Which is the biggest one? 4. That means this 405 will be the second in the descending order. Now next number is 2 and 1. Which is the biggest among 2 and 1? 2. So we know that 238 will be the third in the order. And last 172 will be the fourth in the order. So now we have written the numbers. Now according to these numbers, we will arrange in descending order. So number 1 is 961. So over here we will write down 961, comma. Now number 2 is 405. So over here we will write down 405. Next one is number 3 is 238. So we will write over here 238. Next is 172. That is the fourth one. So we will write over here 172. See the next example. Now again numbers are given to us. We will write the place value table first. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds. Again ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we have written the place value table. Now we will read the number. So 4,324, 104, 7,829 and 3,999. Again we will underline the first digits. So first digit of this number is 4, then 1, then 7, then 3. Notice children that all the other numbers are going till the place value of thousands, and this number 104 is going till the place value of hundreds. So naturally this number is the smallest, so it will come in the last in the order of descending order. So first of all, what we will do, we have underlined the digits. Now we will compare the numbers. Now among 4, 1, 7, 3, which is the biggest? 7 is the biggest. That means 7,829 is the biggest number. So we will write over here 1. Next is among 4, 1 and 3, which is the biggest? 4. That means 4,324 is the second in the order. So we will write over here 2. Next is 1 and 3, which is the biggest? 3 is the biggest. So we will write over here 3. That means it is the third in the order. And this one, 104, will be the fourth in the order. Its first digit is small and it is going till the place value of hundreds also. So in either way it is the smallest number. Now we will arrange according to the numbers. So first one is 7,829. So we will write over here 7,829. Next number is this one. So we will write over here 4,324. What is the third one? This one. So we will write over here 3,999. And the last one is this one, number 4. So we will write over here 104. Kids, let us see the next example. Now we will move on to little bit bigger number. Now see, again numbers are given to you. We will write the place value table first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and now comes 10,000s. Again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now we have written the place value table. Now again we will read the number carefully. Now first number is 26,432. 99,994. 84,321. 56,411. Now again what we will do, we will take the first digit of the numbers. Now first digit over here is 2, then 9, then 8, then 5. Now among 2, 9, 8, 5, which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. That means 99,994 is the biggest number. So we will write over here 1. Now next is among 2, 8, 5, which is the biggest number? 8. So that means 84,321 is the biggest number. So we will write over here 2. Next, between 2 and 5, which is the biggest number? 5. So 56,411 is the third in the order of descending order. Now last one, this one, 26,432 is the last one in the order. Now according to this order we will write the answer. First one is this one. So we will write over here 99,994. Next is this one. So 84,321. Next is this one. So we will write over here 56,411. And the last one is 26,432. Now see, next example. Again 4 numbers are given to us. Again we will write the place value table first. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. Again ones, tens, hundreds. Now again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. Now kids, notice that these two numbers are going till 10,000s. This number is going till thousands, and this number is going till hundreds. So in the descending order, first 10,000s will come, then thousands will come, then hundreds will come. So in these two 10,000s, let us first see. Let us first underline all the first digit. Okay, that is in this number 1, in this 4, in this 9, in this 5. Let us read once. 10,634, 434, 96,814, 5,869. Now we have underlined the first digit. Now let us see. Now between these two numbers, 1 and 9, which is the greatest? 9 is the greatest. That means this will be the one first in the order. Now see, next is this one. This is going till 10,000s. So this will come in the second position in the descending order. So we will write over here 2. Now let us see between these two. Now 5 and 4. Now in the digit wise also, 5 is the biggest number between 4 and 5. So this will be number 3. And otherwise also it is till hundreds place and it is till thousands place. So it is the bigger number. Now the last number will be this one. So we will write over here 4. Because this is going till place value of hundreds. So 434. Now we will arrange it in descending order according to the numbers we have written. Now first one is this one. So we will write over here 96,814. Next one 10,634. Next one 5,869. And the last one will be 434. Okay kids, let us see one more example. Now again, first of all, write the place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Again ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. Now again kids, we will see the first digit first to compare the numbers. Before that we will read it once. Now 64,321, 61,291, 67,901, 63,465. Now first digit, let us underline the first digit. 6, Here also first digit is 6, then again 6, then again 6. Now see kids, the first digit of all the numbers are 6. Now what do we do now? How do we compare it? What we will do? We will take the next digit of the number. So what is the next digit of the number? That is 4. Next digit of this number, that is 1. Next digit of this number, that is 7. Again next digit of this number, that is 3. Since the first digit is same in all the numbers, we will take the next digit. If the next digit is also same, we will take the third digit. Like that we can solve the problem. Now we have taken the next digit. Now 4, 1, 7, 3. Which one is biggest among 4, 1, 7, 3? 7 is the biggest. So this number is the first one in the order. So we will write over here 1. Now 4, 1, 3. Which one is the biggest? 3 is the biggest. So this number is the second in the order. Now 4 and 1. Which one is the biggest? 4 is the biggest. So we will write over here 3. And this number is the last one in the order. Now according to this, let us arrange it. Now first one is this one, that is 67,901. Next one is this number, that is 63,465. Next one is this number, 64,321. And the last one is this number, that is 61,291. Now let's recall what we have learned today. The very first step is to write the place value table above the numbers. See, I have written the place value table above each number. That is ones, tens, hundred, thousands and 10,000s. Step 2 is to read the given numbers carefully. Step 3 is to underline and compare the first digit of the numbers. See, I have taken the first digit and underlined it. Now we have to compare the numbers. That is from the biggest number to the smallest number. Step 4 is to write the order above the numbers. Now after you have compared the first digit of the numbers, we have to write the orders in which we have to arrange the numbers. That is in descending order, biggest to smallest. Step 5 is to write the answer in the descending order. Now we have to arrange the numbers in descending order or decreasing order, that is from the biggest to the smallest number. I hope kids you have understood the concept of descending order till 5-digit number. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.